The IRA or 401k is the biggest scam ever perpetrated upon the American people. These qualified plans are designed for one purpose only: to increase the coffers of the federal government. Now let's assume you have an annual contribution of $6,000 and you do that for 35 years and your tax bracket is at 33 1/3%. At the end of 35 years, you'll see a tax savings of $70,000. Now, Uncle Sam just tossed you a bone of $70,000 in the form of tax breaks. Now, let's assume your plan grew at 7.5% interest for 35 years, and that left you with about $1 million at retirement. And now you want to draw an income using only the interest. At 7.5% interest, you'll have $75,000 a year. The only problem is you have a partner, the IRS. Now, of your $75,000 yearly income, you will need to pay $25,000 in taxes every year. And by the time you reach the age of 85 and a half, you will pay the IRS $500,000 in taxes. Now remember, you still have the full $1 million, so when you die, Uncle Sam will get another $500,000 in estate taxes, and possibly more. So the IRS gave you $70,000 in tax savings so they could extract from you $1 million or more when you retire. Here's another example of how taxation affects you. You sure you want to see this? Now, if I were to give you $1 a day and double it every day for 20 days, you would end up with $1,048,576. But if every dollar was taxed at 17%, at the end of 20 days, you would end up with $177,428. But if every dollar was taxed at 27% interest, at the end of 20 days, you would end up with only $57,666. But wait, there is good news. There is a product that provides for all of the following: guaranteed to grow and never lose money, no contribution limits, leverages your money into an immediate death benefit tax-free to your heirs, allows access to your money at any age with no tax penalty, no income restrictions, yields dividends, shelters your assets from taxes, creditors, and litigation in most states. In effect, you create your own bank, and it allows you to borrow money from yourself to pay off debts, buy a car, buy equipment for your business, or pay off your mortgage. This 200-year-old concept is now known as the family bank. And the best part is that it will get you out from under the IRS tax code and under contractual law. If you would like to know more, I'll be glad to send you a free DVD.